Are you also having a solar panel manufacturing business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your solar panel manufacturer business. So as an owner of a solar panel manufacturer business, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries from different clients and customers. Handling each of the inquiry manually was a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot, that too without any coding and programming skills, that is going to handle all the WhatsApp inquiries I am receiving and also going to automate the responses for me 24/7 in such a way that every time I am going to receive a new message from my customers on WhatsApp, automatic reply is going to be sent. Not only this, but the details which I am going to collect from my customers are also going to be saved automatically in my Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. For this, I am just going to build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Google Sheets, that too without any coding and programming skills. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation and the entire process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your solar panel manufacturer business. So here, as an owner of a solar panel manufacturing business, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on regular basis from my existing customers, new clients and resellers. But handling everything at the same time is not possible. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is going to look like this, and I have created it without any coding and programming skills, which is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages that we are receiving for our business and also going to automate the responses according to the messages that we are receiving of our customers. Not only this, but it is also going to collect the details of our customers and add the details automatically in Google Sheets like this. Now, before moving forward towards learning how to create this chatbot and this automation by ourselves step by step, first of all, I will show you that how it is actually going to work. So for this, I will take you towards WhatsApp, and here on the number of SunSpark Solar Panels, the name of my business, as a customer, I am going to send a message. Hi, may I know about your services? I got the response, hello, welcome to SunSpark Solar Panels, your trusted partner in clean energy. How can I assist you today? We have three options over here: view products, request quote and become a reseller. So if I'm going to click on view products, let's say, it is providing me the type of products they have: residential rooftop panels, commercial panels, portable solar kits. Choose a category below to explore. If I want to get more details, I can click on these buttons according to my requirements. Now, if I'm going to click on request a quote, it is asking me my name. Please share a few quick details to get your custom code. When I'm going to provide my name over here, let's say Smart Lead, a random name. Then it is asking me my email. So let me provide my email as well. As I've sent my email, now it is asking me, please share the type of property you have. So here I'm going to provide, let's say, farm. And it is saying share your area. Let's say Neelbur, Bhopal, a random area I have sent. And it is providing me, thank you, our team will review your request and contact you soon. Meanwhile, explore our website or call us at this number. Now, as it has collected my details, I'm going to take you towards Google Sheets. And you can see that automatically the details are systematically added over here without any manual efforts. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. It is also going to connect Google Sheets with it, and it is going to record all the details that you have collected automatically in that. So now, without any further wait, let's start learning this amazing automation step by step for our business. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we are going to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser. It is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software, also to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots and other amazing features. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot over here, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. As we can see here, we can find all the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the remaining credits, and the WhatsApp number that we have added. Okay, if you are having multiple WhatsApp numbers, you will see the number of WhatsApp number you are added over here. And also you can save the numbers properly by creating separate folders. To learn how to add your WhatsApp number and how to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, we have already created separate tutorials for that. So you can just go and watch the videos. If you will click on this add WhatsApp number over here, we have two options to connect your WhatsApp number, WhatsApp connect method and manual token connect. For both the methods, we have separate tutorials. If you want, I'm also going to attach the link of the videos in my description. All right. Now, here on the left side, you can see all other amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow that we have: inbox, contact section, team queues, template section, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and much more. So we have created separate tutorials for each of these amazing features as well. If you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, just go and watch the video. Now, without any further wait, let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that, let's go towards the flow section and we have to open flows. After coming on the flow section, you can see these are the flows I have created for different purposes and related to my business. Now we have some active flows over here. Also, we have some inactive flows. Okay. Now, to create a new flow, we have to click on this add flow button. We have to first of all provide a name to the flow. You have to keep in mind that the bot which we are going to create over here is going to be totally based on the flow that we are going to prepare, because flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages that are to be sent according to the response of our customers. So let's say the name of my flow is WhatsApp chatbot for your solar panel manufacturer business. Here you can see that I have a blank box. I need to decide that how I want my flow to start. As I've shown you in the beginning of the video, when I was receiving certain messages from my customers end, my flow was starting. Either I can enter certain keywords over here that when I'm going to receive only those specific keywords, then my flow should start, or either I can go for adding the regex. Regex is regular expressions that helps us to identify the messages from our customers or clients ends and start our automation. Regex are of multiple types. Here currently I'm going to use a specific regex that is going to help me that as soon as I'm going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a text message, a paragraph, a single word, or even a symbol or emoji, my flow is going to start. So the regex which I'm going to use over here is this. Okay. Now here, as I've started my flow, the next I want to send the customers the details that what they want to explore. For that, I'm going to send them a text plus button message with the options. So the message which I'm going to send them is: hello, welcome to Sun Park Solar Panels, the name of my business, your trusted partner in clean energy. How can I assist you today? You can see that here I have used stars in order to make this name of my company, the name of my business, bold. You can also do the same wherever you want to make your data bold. Now I'm going to provide them some options that what they want to explore. First is going to be if they want to view products, or the next is going to be if they want to request for a quotation. And the third button is going to be for the resellers, if they want to become a reseller. Alright, so here we have three buttons, and for each of the three buttons I'm going to send separate messages. So if my customers are going to click on the button view product, so I will send them the message as, I will send them a media message in that case, and here I'm going to send them the catalog or the type of products we have in the image format. If you want to insert the image over here like this by inserting the URL, you can do that. I'm going to directly upload it from the computer. After uploading the image, now I'm going to insert a caption as well. Choose a category below to explore. Okay, what kind of solar panel they require. So I'm going to provide them three categories. First is going to be residential. Second is going to be for commercial. And the third one is going to be for portable. Okay, we have three options over here. For each of the three options, now I'm going to send them separate messages. So first of all, if they are going to select residential as their button, I'm going to send them a message regarding the residential, and here I'm going to provide them the link that how they can check the prices. Check details. Okay, so this is the message for residential. If they are going to select the button commercial, so I'm going to send them another message for that. Check business details. So here is the message: power up your business with our commercial solar system, saving big on energy cost and boost your brand's sustainability. Here I'm going to provide a link as well where they can check the more details about the same. The third one is for portable one. So I'm going to send them the message as, need solar on the go. Check out our compact, lightweight and efficient portable solar kits. And here I'm going to provide them the link to check details. Okay, so the first part of the flow is completed. Now I'm going to quickly save the flow to make it updated and to move forward. The next part we have is if they are going to select request a quote. So I'm going to collect their details first of all to send them a personalized quotation. So for that, first of all, I'm going to send them a message which is going to ask them a question. Some questions such as first of all the name. So I'm going to ask a question over here. I'm going to connect this button with the question, and the question which I'm going to ask is, Please share a few quick details to get your custom code. And the details are, first of all, I'm going to ask their name. Okay, first of all, I want the name. And here I'm going to select contact custom field to collect this name. When I'm going to select the data from contact custom field, when I'm going to receive this reply, it will be automatically added in my contact section, and further in my communications, I will be able to use these details automatically. Also, I will be able to send these details to my Google Sheets that I'm going to show you further. Okay, so here we have the format of the name that is going to be text. If you want to provide the number of reattempt chances, enter the number and the validation message. Further, when they are going to send me the name, so then the next I'm going to ask them is their email address. So again, I'm going to ask a question over here. I'm going to connect it with my previous step, and here I'm going to ask, please share your email. Okay, and now I want to collect the email, so I'm going to select contact custom field as email. The third I want is their type of property for which they want the solar panel. Let me rearrange the flow properly so that we can move ahead. Now the next question I'm going to ask them is the type of property they are having. For that, again, I'm going to ask a question. Let's connect it with the previous step. And now here the question I'm going to ask is, please share the type of property you have. Okay, whether it is farm, office, home, etc. And here I'm going to select house type, and the format will be text. Then the next I want to collect is their location. So again, I'm going to select ask question over here. I will connect it with my previous step. And here I'm going to send share your area. Okay, and now here I'm going to collect their area. Alright, so here as I'm going to collect these details such as name, email, the type of property and the area, then I'm going to send them personalized quotations. But for that, I will have to collect these details and create a systematic record as well. So I'm going to connect this flow with my Google Sheets so that I can automatically share the data in my Google Sheets. For that, what you are supposed to do, you have to go towards API request over here, and you have to connect it with your previous step like this. Now here, to build the connection between this flow and your Google Sheets, you require a webhook URL that we are going to get with the help of Pabbly Connect. So what you will do, you will just go back towards the accounts app, that means the all apps section, and here you can see we have Pabbly Connect access now. I'm going to create a new workflow over here quickly. I will just name it the same as my bot, and I'm going to save it in my lead management folder. The workflow is created. Okay, so here we have two steps, trigger and action. Trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose here I want that every time the response is going to be captured from the leads or from our customers through this flow. So the flow should send the response automatically towards Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. For that, here I'm going to take Pabbly Chatflow by using which we have created the flow in my trigger step, and I'm going to take Google Sheets in which I want to create a record in my action steps. If you do not want to send the response towards Google Sheet, you can also select any other application over here such as CRM, email marketing platform, your Google Chat, anywhere. Okay. Alright, now here we have to select the trigger event. What you want, I want that whenever a new message will be received, the response should be captured. We have received a webhook URL, let's copy it, and you have to go back towards your flow, towards the API request, and you have to go towards the webhook URL. You have to select the method over here as post because you want to post the data towards Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. And then in the URL field, just paste the URL. What all details you want to collect, just enter it over here. First of all, I want the full name. And here I'm going to select full name in my contact custom field section. Then the next I want is the email address. So I'm going to select email now. Then I want house type. And here I'm going to select the contact custom field as house type, and then I want the area. These are the details which I want. Now when I'm going to click on test, API request is successfully sent. So I will take you back towards Pabbly Connect, and we have received the test response over here, as you can see. Because I have clicked on the button test, so I have received the test response. But in real time, when the flow is going to work, when the actual customers are going to send the response will be automatically captured. And now I'm going to send this response towards Google Sheets by simply connecting Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to select my action event as add new row. I'm going to create a new spreadsheet in front of you first of all. Okay, so I've created the spreadsheet. Now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect, and we'll click on Connect to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. I will go with an existing connection only. You can see that here we have to select the spreadsheet, but it is already selected because I am already logged in. Then we have to provide the details such as the name, email, address, area, and the house type. These fields are the same as we have the columns, and these are the same fields that we have received from Pabbly Chatflow as well. So one by one, I'm going to enter these details. We have to map the data instead of entering it manually so that we can automate the process. When we will map these details like this, for example, I've mapped the full name in the name field. It has become dynamic, and automatically with every new response, it will get replaced. So whenever a new message is going to be received from the customer with these details, they will be automatically added in Google Sheets because these details will get replaced. Now I will map the email, the area, and the house type. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. The response is captured, and when I'm going to take you towards Google Sheets, you can see that the record is added over here. Okay, so once we have set up this connection, now we do not have to do anything manually. Every time we are going to receive these details such as name, email, house type, area, they will get automatically be added in Google Sheets. Now, let's save the settings we have done with the help of API request, and we will cross it. Now you can select the next message that you want to send. When I'm going to receive these details from my customers, I'm going to assure them that they are going to soon receive the personalized quotation according to their details. So the message I'm going to send them is text plus button message again, and here I'm going to enter. Okay, thank you. Our team will review your request and contact you soon. All right, we have completed the flow up till now. Let's quickly save it again. As the flow is completed, I'm going to take you towards the main step, and here we have the third option as if the customer or the person wants to become a reseller. So I'm going to send them the details regarding that. We love partnering with solar enthusiasts and energy consultants. Please call us at this number for more details. Okay, I have completed my flow. I'm going to save it again, and then I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp, and we will check whether the flow that we have created is properly working or not. So I have opened WhatsApp, and this is the number of SunSpark solar panels, my business. I'm going to send a message as a customer or a client over here. Hello, share details. Just a random message. And you can see I got the reply. This means that yes, our flow is actually working fine. You can also very easily create it with more creative elements added over here. You can add list over here. You can provide conditions and much more. So I hope this WhatsApp chatbot and the entire process of this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.